Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WordPress plugins for broken link checking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Locate the plugins option on the left hand side menu. Click on Add New to open the plugin installation page. In the search bar, type Broken Link Checker. Press the Enter key to view the search results. Find the Broken Link Checker plugin in the list. Click on the Install Now button next to it. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, click on the Activate button to enable the plugin. After activation, navigate to the Settings option in the left menu. Select Link Checker from the drop-down menu. Here, you can configure the plugin settings according to your needs. Adjust options such as link monitoring frequency and notifications. Scroll down to save any changes you've made. The plugin will now begin scanning your website for broken links. You can monitor its progress in the plugin settings area. If any broken links are found, they will be listed for your review. Click on each broken link to edit or remove them. Regularly check back on the plugin to maintain a healthy link status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.